Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends.
Do you have any barberry bushes in your garden and not sure what they are? Let's talk how to differentiate main species of barberries, Japanese versus common or European. Common or European barberry was introduced to North American landscapes in the 1600s by European settlers. It escaped cultivation and spread throughout the northern United States.
Japanese barberry bushes were established at the Boston Arboretum in 1875.
Partly as a replacement for European barberry, which was being phased out due to its role in spreading wheat rust, a serious crop disease.
It has been cultivated and sold as ornamental in 1900s.
Landscapers and homeowners loved it, and by the end of mid-1900s, it was planted widely across the US in residential and commercial landscapes. But Japanese barberry escaped cultivation and spread from gardens into forests, meadows, and roadsides. And as to Japanese barberry,
many cons outweighed for me a few pros. Let's take a look.
It can be invasive. Japanese barberries spread quickly and outcompete native plants. It spreads easily through seeds dispersed by birds and other animals, as well as through vegetative growth. It can potentially harm native plants by making soil pH more basic through leaf litter. It creates habitat for ticks that can spread Lyme disease. And finally, it's packed with long and prickly thorns. If you have some barberry bushes in your garden and not sure what they are, here are some tips on how to distinguish them. Japanese barberries have single sharp thorns at each node along the stem, while common barberry thorns show triple branching. Japanese barberries have small leaves with smooth edges, and color varies from green, red, burgundy, or golden depending on the cultivar, while European barberries have larger serrated leaves. Japanese barberry have small, pale yellow flowers that hang singly or in small clusters, while European barberry have more showy yellow flowers in larger clusters of 10-20 flowers. Japanese barberry produces egg-shaped berries, turn red by fall and persist during the winter. And finally, Japanese barberry is known for having a yellow cambium layer under its bark and yellow roots. The yellow color is due to the presence of berberin, a chemical also found in the bark and berries. Hope after watching this video you can go out and identify barberries like a pro. Happy gardening!